and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Preeni. And today I'll be showing you how to make bruschetta. And on any day when you don't want to get involved in elaborate cooking and still want a delicious snack, try bruschetta. So let's get to the ingredients so that we can get started. We'll be needing chopped tomatoes. Take red plum nice tomatoes which are juicy, chopped onions, minced garlic, fresh basil leaves, black pepper, melted butter, parsley, dried parsley leaves, salt and extra virgin olive oil, and of course the bread loaf. Now here I have taken a French bread loaf, but you can have any bread loaf that you like, maybe Italian bread loaf or baguette or any normal bread loaf that you have in your supermarket. So first of all, I'll start with slicing my bread loaf. So I always slice my bread loaf in an angle, not straight away. So I'll start cutting. I'll keep this aside and cut your bread in moderate slices, not very thin, not very thick. I think these many would do. So I'll take my baking plate and I'll put my slices. See, these are moderately sliced, not very thin and not very thick. So these goes aside. I'll prepare the garlic butter now. Here is my melted butter and I'll add the parsley, little bit of parsley, and my minced garlic. And mix this well. This is ready. I will brush this on my slices generously. You can use any herb according to your taste, be it fresh herb or dried herb. Just make sure that if you're using fresh herbs, then the fresh herbs are not as powerful as the dried herbs, so use accordingly. And these will be going into the oven preheated at 375 Fahrenheit for just a few minutes, and for a even color flip them in between. You can also toast these on a grill pan on your stove, so that will also be easier, but I'll be doing in my oven. And here these go in the oven, and keep an eye on these. Until then, let's prepare our topping. So here are my tomatoes, and I'll add my chopped onions, and I will just take them with my hand and tear them off. We don't need to cut them. This will also do. Now when you are making bruschetta, there are basically no rules, because you can top it with anything you like. So here goes my basil. Add the seasonings now, very important. Just a teaspoon of salt, a dash of black pepper, just a little more, my parsley. You can use oregano instead of parsley also, but in my opinion parsley is very nice with this recipe. And a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, just this much for now. Now I'll mix this well, and I'll keep this aside till my slices are done. My slices are done and they just took 10 minutes to do. Now we just have to top these slices with our topping, and if you come closer you can see that the juices and the extra virgin olive oil is also delicious. Now So just the last step, I'll take my slice and I will cover this with my topping, delicious topping. The garlic flavor and the parsley flavor with it, it's smelling so good. Some of the juices as well, and it's done. Can you imagine? It just took 5 minutes. Now time to munch on, and I will have this one. Really nice. It's crunchy also. The topping is so refreshing, and the garlic just hits the right spots. So it's really nice, and it was so easy. So do make it, and you will find this recipe and other recipes on my YouTube channel, Cooking with Preeni. And I hope you had a good time with me, and I'll see you with another recipe.